Today we're going to review a deformable LED garage light or workshop light. The three individual LEDs that make this light up can be moved individually to be aimed at different places in your workshop or garage that you need light. So this is what it looks like when you take it out of the box. It screws into a normal light socket. So it'll work with pretty much any light socket you have. This is the only one I have in my garage, so this is the one I'm going to use for demonstration purposes. Before I demonstrate the actual product itself, I wanted to show a couple competitive products for comparison's sake. First, I'm going to show you a 45 watt incandescent light bulb, which is what you see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the garage door opener light so that the only light in the garage is going to be that incandescent light. And I'm going to use an app on my phone that's going to measure the lux or lumens of the light output of that particular bulb. So the first bulb, which is actually 40 watts, not 45, I'm sorry I misspoke, but that one produced 34 lux or LX. The second bulb, which was a 60 watt bulb, produced 72 lux or LX. The third bulb and final comparison bulb was a 60 watt LED light bulb, which actually consumes 10 watts, but it's a 60 watt equivalent. It measured in at 176 lux or LX. And finally we have the garage light itself. Now this one, all of the elements were pointed straight down. They were not deformed in any direction, and it measured in at a whopping 1380 LX or lux. Then I ran the same test with the same bulb but deformed all of them to about 45 degrees. Now it's reading at 1080 lux, which is a little bit less bright, standing directly underneath obviously. So in conclusion, after comparing this to the other three competitors, it's not even a fair comparison. This thing puts out so much more light, it's not even funny. Now I'm not saying those other three bulbs are meant to be direct competitors with this bulb, because they're not. They're cheaper bulbs and they're not meant to put out as many lumens as this bulb does. This is a serious upgrade for the average homeowner and I highly recommend it.